Did you know that what comes out of your urethra can tell you a lot about your prostate health? If you're a guy and you've ever wondered if your pee can tell you if you have an enlarged prostate, or if you're at risk for one, keep watching this video because I'm going to show you exactly what to look for when you urinate. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm a doctor. And if you're new here, we talk about all things men's health, sexual health, and much, much more. So please consider subscribing. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about what your urine can tell you about your prostate health. Specifically, what are some warning signs in your urine that you may have an enlarged prostate, or you may be at risk for having one? Because the thing is, an enlarged prostate can be pretty serious. It can lead to a number of different complications down the line if left untreated, including things like prostatitis, which is inflammation of the prostate, or even prostate cancer. And so it's important that you know how to read your own warning signs and know what to look for. And what better warning sign than the things that come out of your urethra, right? So let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, so first things first, color. What color is your pee? If it's a really pale color, almost like a very light yellow or even clear, that could be a sign that you're dehydrated. And if you're dehydrated, your body is going to struggle to make urine. And it may also indicate that you're struggling with something called benign prostatic hyperplasia, also known as BPH. Or if your urine is a very deep yellow or even amber color, that could be another sign of dehydration. But it can also be a sign that you have a urinary tract infection, and that could be something that's showing up as well. Ideally, your urine should be a very light yellow color. That's the best way to describe it. It should kind of be clear, but just have a little bit of yellow in there. The next thing to look at is the amount of urine that you're producing. Are you urinating less than normal? Or are you finding that you have kind of a weak stream and you really have to push hard to get the urine out? Well, that could be a sign of an enlarged prostate. An enlarged prostate can kind of plug up the urethra and make it difficult for the urine to flow. And it can also make it so that you find that you're urinating much less than you normally would. And it can even lead to kind of straining when you urinate, like you really have to push it out. Next, are you finding blood in the urine? Now, this is one that is really important. If you see any blood in the urine at all, it could be a sign of something really serious, such as prostate cancer. And so it's important that if you see any blood in the urine at all, that you go see your doctor right away. There are other causes of blood in the urine that can be less serious, but prostate cancer is one of them, and we need to rule that out. Next is the stream itself. Is the stream kind of a smooth stream, or is it kind of a jagged stream? A smooth stream is a normal stream, whereas a jagged stream could be a sign of an enlarged prostate. If you're finding that you have kind of a segmented or jagged stream, that could be a sign that you have an enlarged prostate. Last thing to look at is the amount of urine that you're leaving in the bladder. When you urinate, are you finding that you have kind of a lot left over? You still have kind of that urge to go again? Or are you finding that you're straining and really trying to empty the bladder completely? This can be a sign that you have an enlarged prostate and you're not able to empty your bladder completely. So if you're concerned about your prostate health and you're noticing any of these warning signs, what should you do? Well, the best thing to do is go see your doctor and get checked out. Your doctor will likely perform a digital rectal exam, also known as a DRE, and may order a blood test called the PSA, or prostate-specific antigen. If you enjoyed today's video, please make sure to like and subscribe. It helps us out tremendously and allows us to continue making great content for you. Also, if you have a friend who you think could benefit from this content, please share this video with them. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.